After 3 years of warning the world that the age of Adobe Flash would be coming to an end, Adobe has finally discontinued Flash as of December 31st, 2020. Support for Flash has ended in major browsers, and Flash Player should be removed from any systems that it is currently installed on, as there will be no further updates to Adobe Flash or Flash Player. Adobe will begin blocking Flash content in Flash Player as of January 12th. However, Flash Player will remain on user systems until it is removed by the user or administrator. Fake and malicious Adobe Flash and Flash Player updates are a common tactic that attackers use to get victims to download and install malware on their computers. This tactic is not likely to go away anytime soon, as Adobe will no longer be releasing even security updates, let alone any feature updates. Any notices of updates available should now be considered to be malicious. With integrated vulnerability assessment and patch management, Acronis Cyber Protect helps to keep your system secure by alerting you to outdated applications such as Adobe Flash, and provides an easy way to install official updates to common applications when they are available.